Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious omelet. First, gather your ingredients. You'll want 2 to 3 fresh, large eggs per serving. A good quality nonstick pan, around 8 inches in diameter, is essential for easy flipping. Whisk your eggs vigorously with a fork or whisk until the yolks and whites are fully combined, adding a pinch of salt and pepper for flavor. Next, heat your pan over medium-low heat and add about 1 tablespoon of butter, letting it melt and coat the bottom. Once the butter is foamy, pour in your whisked egg mixture. Let the eggs set for about 30 seconds without stirring. Then, using a spatula, gently push the cooked edges towards the center, allowing the uncooked egg to flow underneath. Now it's time for the delicious fillings. Once the top of the omelet is mostly set but still a little moist, add about 1/4 cup of your chosen fillings to 1/2 of the omelet. Remember, if your fillings need more cooking time, like certain vegetables or meats, it's best to cook them separately beforehand to ensure they are tender. Finally, gently fold the empty half of the omelet over the side with the fillings. Let it cook for another 30 seconds to 1 minute, just until it's lightly golden and the fillings are warmed through. Carefully slide your perfectly cooked omelet onto a plate. Serve it immediately to enjoy its warm, fluffy texture and rich flavors. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.